Cooke. The practice that I've created is called Relax to Erupt. It's a mixture of dance-based movement and also just movement for the sake of movement. So how we get from A to B as quick as we can. It's influenced by katak, by contemporary, by floor work, by boxing, by the different disciplines I've studied, and I'm trying to create something new within Relax to Erupt. Everybody can experience, touch into, and gain something from it. That's why I say it's not necessarily just for dancers, it's for people that are just fascinated in movement in general. The aim is that they can come for one day, they can come for a week, and they can take something from it. That's what I love most about classes, is that I can go there, I get bombarded with information, and I can choose what I give or I take.